Hey everybody, it's your boy JB and we are back once again. Do you want the best garlic bread recipe? Then watch on. Add 200 grams of butter to a bowl. Grate 2 garlic cloves into the butter. Chop a handful of parsley and add to the butter bowl. Mix the ingredients into the butter. Cut a hoagie roll in half. Spread the butter evenly on each side of the roll. Cook the rolls for 15 minutes in a 180 degrees Celsius oven. Add slices of mozzarella to each roll. Cook for a further 10 minutes until the cheese is melted. As always, follow the hashtag @FatLadFood, and if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video.